Hey everyone, do you ever feel like you're just not good enough? Like no matter how hard you work or what you accomplish, that nagging voice in your head tells you that you're falling short. That feeling can be a heavy weight, and it's something so many of us struggle with. But what if you could break free from it? It's time to rewrite your story, not just with words, but with energy. This isn't about positive thinking, it's about the powerful principles of the law of attraction and quantum physics. Think of your thoughts and feelings as an energetic frequency you are constantly broadcasting. When you feel not good enough, you're vibrating at a low frequency, and the universe, in turn, reflects experiences that match that vibration. But you have the power to change the channel. Think about Maria, an amazing graphic designer who was afraid to share her work online. She was convinced her designs weren't good enough and kept them hidden. This was her frequency of self-doubt. But then, she took a small step. She posted just one design. This single intentional act was a quantum leap in her energy, a shift from fear to courage. The response was incredible. People loved her work, and that positive feedback was the universe responding to her new, higher vibration. Or consider Carlos, a student who felt he wasn't smart enough to ask questions in his science class. He'd sit quietly, embarrassed that he didn't get it. One day he decided to just raise his hand and ask for clarification. He intentionally acted from a place of curiosity rather than shame. The moment he did, his reality shifted. The teacher appreciated his question, and other students admitted they were wondering the same thing. By changing his internal frequency, he attracted a new, more supportive experience. Another great example is Sarah, a stay-at-home mom with a passion for baking, who believed her recipes weren't good enough to sell. She only baked for family and friends. A friend finally convinced her to sign up for a local farmer's market. Sarah was terrified, but she brought a small batch of cookies. They sold out in an hour. This small success was a direct reflection of her willingness to believe in her passion, and that simple belief allowed her to attract her customers. She realized her passion was enough, just as it was. The feeling of not good enough is often just a feeling, not a fact. It's an old habit of thought, and like any habit, you can change it. Here's how you shift your frequency. The next time you feel that way, don't fight it. Just acknowledge the low-frequency thought without judgment. 2. Challenge it. Ask yourself, is this thought serving the reality I want to create? 3. Take one small step. Choose a single action that aligns with the reality you want, and let that action be the signal that changes your frequency. Remember, you are not a passive observer of your life. You are the conscious co-creator. Your worth isn't measured by perfection. It's measured by your willingness to intentionally raise your vibration. Start now. Progress beats perfection. Take that one small step and prove to yourself that by changing your energy, you can change your entire reality. You are more than enough. Practice meditation and breathing techniques for immense clarity on any task, and you're ready to break free. Take that quantum leap into the life you were meant to have.